Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way they go chat rubbish, the way they...
Feelings, he got you all in your feelings. But do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well, baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms.
Welcome to part 2, my Dantees. If you have not seen part 1 yet, it will be in the description box. Please excuse my voice, I just woke up. So I'm gonna be using this really dead scissors. If I eventually actually change to my kitchen scissors, I would advise you not to do this. If you have hair scissors, or buy a hair shear scissors. Does that make sense? I just woke up, my brain is fried. Excuse me. But it will make your job better or easier if you can get actually hair shear. I think that's what they call it. So, but here I eventually changed to my kitchen scissors, which I don't know. I only used what I had, so yeah. But it still worked out fine because I didn't want the bob to be exactly so sharp and blunt. I wanted it to have rough edges, you know, because there's beauty in imperfection. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Later.
Wrapping these hands around you, who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? The night is ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already booed up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving.
Okay, now because I'll be cutting the right side, it's hard cutting the right side with the right hand, so I'm cutting it backwards. And I don't know if you can notice how slanty my hands are. I slant my hand downwards because I'm cutting it from the back. The other side, I slanted my hand upwards. It's kind of like when a plane is picking up for the left side, and it's like a plane is landing for the right side. Do you see what I mean? And like, I didn't want to cut a straight bob. I wanted a slant bob, so I wanted the front to be a little longer. So did you see how? See, that's what I'm showing you here. I'm slanted down like a plane is landing. That's right. The left side like a plane is picking up, so you slant your scissors up, unless if you want a straight bob. But I don't want a straight bob, that's boring. Excuse those that like straight bobs. Excuse, I'm not judging anybody. So slant, make sure your scissors is slant down. Well, it depends on if you can use your left hand maybe. But hence why I'm cutting it from the back, so I can get that effect. And so that, you know, like as you go backwards, the back gets shorter. You know, I guess it's kind of more self-explanatory. Explanatory. I don't never know how to say that word. Explanatory. Oh my lord. Okay, goodbye.
So much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up.
Yeah, all done. Thank you. I take a bow. Thank you.
Baby girl, I like it when you whine for me. Baby, move your body like a snake, rocking that your body is my fantasy. Girl, you turning me into a see what you made me do. Spending it all on you. I'll straight and cable do. Is that what you want me to do? She's a controller, controller, controller. She's a controller, yeah, controller. She controller, controller. Mama, you're a controller, controller, controller. Don't care cause I know I'm a leader. If you say no, your girls are waiting. I'm the new king up in my city. Girl, you giving me sexual healing. Oh girl, diving deep in your ocean. Skin tight, spread out. Baby girl, let me see you spread out. Shape nice, no doubt. Bad girl, I can shout to. For real.
Right here, I was just showing the difference between the flat iron side and the non-flat iron side. That's part of the reason why I love plastic hair, man. It's gonna do exactly what you want it to do. Like, I'm proud, man. I'm proud. Yeah, for those that are watching part 2 without watching part 1 first, this is hair is synthetic hair, and it's invisible part. So if you want to see how I lit the invisible part, is in part 1, like I said. Yeah.
Controller, mama, you're a controller, controller. Hey. Controller, pretty mama, you're a controller, controller. Shanti, diving deep in your ocean. Shanti. Got you all in your feelings, but do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety? Well baby, come try me. You always tell me to look you up, so why you staying so booed up? I've been thinking about you, pulling you close to my arms, wrapping these hands around you. Who else you gonna love? Nobody. Baby, are you ready? The night is ready. I'm talking Keith Sweat ready. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already moved up. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you. So much for you, but you're already leaving. You're always talking, you're leaving. I've been saying I'm ready, but I don't think you believe it. It's like you're looking for reasons, so you can keep tripping. All we doing is catching up, cause you already got moved up. I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these hands around you.
So right here, I'm just cleaning up the remaining glue that might be all over the place, my invisible part, because like I said, it's an invisible part, right? So I'm just trying to clean the part up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, until I say, remember, life is what you make it. Hashtag positive vibes only. Love you. Mwah.
I can do so much for you.